What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how can you see if someone blocked you on Spotify, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another awesome tutorial. So guys, how to see if someone blocked you on Spotify? So there are a couple of ways. So there are basically ways. In Spotify you cannot remove a follower directly from your profile. You need to block the person for this purpose. The other person will not get notified if you blocked them. One will not be able to see your profile, playlist and listening activity, but your likes and comments on the public accounts will be visible to the blocked person. You cannot directly check if you have been blocked by someone, but there is a way. So step 1, you can search for their profile. The first step you need to do is try to search for their profile through their username. If their profile is visible, then no worries, you have not got blocked. In case you're unable to see their profile, it's possible that they might have blocked you. So you need to perform some other steps. You can access their profile through the direct link. Basically, if you have a kind of link to their account, to their profile or playlist, try using that. If the profile or the content you are accessing is visible, then they have not blocked you. In case you cannot access the mentioned thing, the first condition is that they might blocked you, and the other one is that they might have set some sort of privacy. And also you can use you can ask for help from YouTube. Ask your friend to check if they can access the person's profile. If yes, then it's obvious that a particular person has blocked you. That's how to see if someone blocked you on Spotify. So hopefully guys this helped you a bit. Thank you for watching and see you in some future videos. Goodbye guys.